me put my pen on. All right, so today, guys, we are going to learn about factors and multiples. So I want you guys to look at our essential question. Read the essential question for me, Walter.
How can understanding on factors and multiples help us recognize patterns and solve real-world problems in math?
Good job. So I am thinking of a number. This number has, some numbers only have two friends. Two friends, and some numbers have lots of friends. Okay, so let's think about how many friends or factors does 24 have?
2.
Okay, what do you think?
A lot.
A lot? What do you think?
4.
Okay,
Not that much.
so when we're thinking about factors, we're thinking about friends. So factor pairs. What is a pair?
A lot.
Paige.
2 things.
A pair is 2. So factor pairs has to have how many factors? 2 factors. What are factors?
Factors
Rainbow.
Factors are even numbers.
Thank you, Abigail. What are factors?
Factors are whenever you have,
What are?
well, they're numbers.
Good job. Factors are numbers. So factor pairs has to have how many numbers?
2.
Ooh, good job. So how many friends do you think 24 has?
A lot.
A
lot.
A lot of friends.
Okay. So I'm thinking about, let's think about skipping.
Oh,
Skipping.
Or get counting.
When you're thinking about skipping, you're thinking about what?
Skip counting.
Skip counting. Skip counting. Okay. So if we're gonna skip count, will we have lots of numbers? Will we have more factors or more multiples?
More multiples.
So when we think about multiples, we're thinking about what?
Skip
Counting. Skip counting. Let's list some factor pairs. So factor pairs, when you think about factor pairs, you think about what?
a
A
rainbow.
factor rainbow. And the first number in
1 and 4.
our,
1 and 4.
the first number in our factor rainbow is always going to be what?
1.
Yes,
One.
it's going to be 1. And the last number is going to be
24.
24. And
Given number.
yes, so our rainbow always starts with 1
One
and
and
the given number. Okay, now, we're always going to go in order, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so what comes after 1?
2.
Now, there's a way for us to
Do it.
know if 2 is a factor of the given number. How do you know if 2 is a factor of the given number? Leland.
If the number is even.
Yes, if the given number is even, then what is a factor?
2.
2 is always a factor. So we have to find out what number can you multiply 2 with to get 24. Paige. Good job, Paige. Okay, now we have a trick. How do we find out if 3 is a factor of 24? Walter.
If the 3, you skip count. But
You can skip count.
3 times 8.
Okay, so you can skip count. There's another way. This is like a cheat way to find out if 3 is a factor of 24.
Even.
Abigail.
You add those two numbers and then you skip count by 3s and see if you get that number that you're fixing to add.
Absolutely. So we're going to add 2 plus 4. What do we get?
6.
Okay, now when we think about multiples, we're trying to find out if 3 is a factor. What are we going to do? Skip count by 3s and see if we land on 6. Everybody stand up. We're going to count by what?
3.
Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, let's go. 3, 6. Do we land on 6?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So 3 is a factor of 24. So 3 times what gives us 24?
3 times.
3 times 8 equals 24.
Good job. Does 4 times anything give us 24?
Yes.
Trayvon?
4 times.
6.
Trayvon, can you put your chair down for me, please?
Oh, no.
Okay. All right. So these are what? Factors. Factor pairs. So if we're going to list factors and multiples, which one will have the most numbers?
Multiple.
Why will multiples have the most numbers?
Because fraction. Because you're starting with a small number and going up with bigger numbers.
Yeah.
You're starting with a small number, but still going up with bigger numbers.
Yes. So if I give you number 3, and I say list the multiples, whenever I say the word multiples, what are you going to do? Yeah. All right. List the multiples. No one's skipping. Who's skipping? Everyone's skipping except for. Oh, we're skipping. Good job, guys. All right. So list the multiples of 3. Whenever we list multiples, we always start with what number?
The given number.
That given number. What's the given number?
3.
Start with 3. And we're going to do what?
Skip count.
Skip count. All right. So 3.
6. Oh, 3.
9. 12.
12.
15.
18. 21. 24. 27.
9. 3 times.
30.
We'll stop here. So could we go on?
Yes, ma'am.
It goes on forever, right?
And 4.
Yes.
So we can go on and on and on. So who can tell me the difference between factors and multiples? Brayden,
Their conduct.
what are factors?
Factors is a rainbow.
Okay, we can list our factors by using a rainbow. Okay. Maddie, what are factors?
Factors are two numbers you multiply.
Together to get the
Sum.
to get the what?
The given number.
Yes, good job. Okay, Leland, what are multiples?
Multiples are will start with the given number and then you skip count plus the given number in order to get more to get over the given number.
Good
That's how
job.
you just did 3. You added 3 to get 6, and then added 3 to get 9, and
So
then
you-
added 3 to get 12.
So you skip count by 3 until they tell you to stop, right? And most of your problems will say, give me the first 5 multiples of 3. So you only have to list 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. All right, now. Good job. Right, turn around. We are going to. Now we have a factors worksheet. You got everything so nice and quietly. Yes.
You should have one more day.
You have 4 donuts.
No.
Okay, no hole.
That means I hear some talking. You should be talking right now. So you have a paper on your desk that says finding factors. What are factors?
Numbers.
When you hear the word factors, what do you think about? Factor rainbows. When you start your factor rainbow, you always start with what number?
The one.
One. And what's at the end of the rainbow?
The given number.
Okay, Kevin. So when you start your factor rainbow, what's at the beginning of the rainbow?
1.
What's at the end of the rainbow?
Given number.
Given number.
Thank you, Kevin. Good job. All right, so the first one says, circle all the factors of 28. Look at your paper. So we have All right, we're going to circle all of the factors or factor pairs for 28. So what's our first factor pair?
2.
1.
Alexa, what do you think? 1. Good job. What is another factor that we know? Because we're starting our factor rainbow, we always start with 1 and
The given number.
the given number. What's the given number?
28.
Okay. Now,
Then we go to 2.
then we go to 2. So how do you know if 2 is a factor, Christian?
Because it's an even number.
Thank you, Christian. How do you know if 2 is a factor of 28? What do you ask yourself? Is 28 an even number? Is 28 even?
Yes.
Yes. So that means 2 is
Odd.
always a
A
factor.
No, 2 and odd is even.
I know that.
Right? 2 is always a factor. So now we have to find out 2 times what gives me 28? Yes. Abigail.
2 times 14.
2 times 14. All right. Now we're at what number here? What number are we at? Help out, Brayden.
3.
We're at 3. How do we know if 3 is a factor?
Skip count.
We can skip count, but it's another way.
If it's
All right,
Let's see. Leland, how do you know if 3 is a factor?
add the 2 numbers,
What do we get?
10.
And then,
You skip count by 3 to
Alright.
see if it's a given number.
all right, want to skip count by 3 and see if we land on,
10. That number.
yes, let's see. You ready? 3, 6, 9, 12.
we so it,
What happened?
We passed it.
So
We passed it.
No, that ain't it.
So is 3 a factor of 28?
no.
No, it's not. So we're not going to circle this one. All right. What about 4?
4.
If you skip count by 4, will we land on 20? Abigail, stand up and show us. She's going to skip count by 4 and see if she lands on 28.
The first. I didn't get.
Oh, I didn't give you a paper? Oh, lo siento. Here we go.
4, 8, 12, and then 16, 20,
Uh-huh.
24, 28.
Did she land on 28?
Yes.
Good job, Abigail. So 4 is a factor. 4 times what gives us 28? 4 times what? 4 times what?
4 times It's
4 times
What do you
7.
think?
4 times 7.
4 times 7. 4 times 7. All right. Does 8 times anything give us?
No. Wait.
So,
Oh my God. 4, 7, and 4.
oh, we already had it. Do you have to repeat those numbers?
No.
No, we don't have to repeat the numbers. Only put it one time. Now, you don't have to draw your rainbow, but just visualize your rainbow.
I already did.
Yes, visualize your rainbow. Yes, here. Make sure you're circling these numbers. Circle the number. We're doing it together. Circle the numbers that we're on. All right, so for the first one, here, tell me what number should you circle?
2, 14,
What's that number? No problem, Zoe.
28.
There we go. Good job. 28. All right. So I'm gonna let you guys do the second one on your own, and I'm gonna come around and check you. Now I'm gonna give you 1 minute. Un momento. 1 minute, and then you guys are gonna tell me your answer. We're gonna do it together. I'll let you know when it's time to work. Only do the second one. ¿Listos?
C.
¿Listos?
C.
No?
No.
Okay. Give you a couple more seconds. Only do the next one. Only do number 2. Only number 2. Only number 2. Oh, I see Leland's ready. Abby's ready. Zoe's ready. Look at Elijah. I love the way Elijah is working back here. Braden's working. Juan Carlos is ready. Look at Elijah. Zoe's ready. Kiara's ready. Gabby's ready. Listos.
C.
All right, so then go ahead. So what is our next number? Our next number is 14. So what is the first number you circle?
1.
What is the next number?
14.
What's the next number? We have to go in order.
2.
2. Okay, how do you know if 2 is a factor?
Oh, you skip count.
Make sure the number is even.
If the given number is even, then 2 is
Always
a factor.
14 is even.
Yes, it is. All right, what's the next number we circle?
2.
Circle
2. 2.
Did you guys one at a time? If you're talking all together, I can't hear. All right, so we have 1, we have 2. What else? 7. Give me another number. 14. 14. Good job. All right, guys, now it is time for you to do. So you guys are going to choose a partner right beside you.
Oh, no.
Work at your table. Okay. I'm going to give you guys a dice. Teamwork. Yes, it is teamwork. Okay. So listen to the rules. When you hear my voice,
I don't want to.
thank you. All right. So these are the rules. I'm going to give you a dice. Okay. You're going to roll the dice. That first number you choose, that's going to be the first number you're going to multiply. The second number you choose, you're going to multiply those together. And then the answer you get, what is the answer you get when you multiply?
The given number.
What is
The product.
the product? Okay, so you're gonna multiply two numbers together, and the product that you get is going to be the answer you choose. It's going to be the number you choose for your factors and your multiples. Okay, so if I roll 2 and I roll a 3, I'll multiply 2 times 3. What do I get? 6. So you'll list the multiples for 6, and then you'll list the factors for 6. Sounds good? Listos?
Please.
No.
Okay.
I'm still not done.
Oh, it's fine. Only number 2.
Oh, I got number 2.
You get your elbow partner. You're gonna work with your elbow partner.
Remember, you gotta stop the recording.
You're gonna work with your elbow partner. You 3 work together. You 2. Just work by yourself. Work by yourself. Work, okay? Alright, I'm gonna give you your dice. Okay, you can sit at this table back here. So guys, when you're working with your partner, what level should you be on?
0.
What level?
1.
Level 1. You guys can whisper. No, work together.
I got it.
Oh, you need scrap paper? Yeah, baby.
I
I'll
rolled
turn
a
this over.
5.
Oh, good. Alright, so roll. Oh, good job. I just need 2 guys, so do the first one and the second line, and you are done. Just do these 2. Just do these 2. So just do down here. So now you're going to your factors. What's your factors and then what's your 4 multiples?
6.
What's your factors? So your answer, multiply. Oh, no, 5 times 6 would be good.
5 plus 6.
5 times 6, you got 30. Right? So what is the first factor? Okay, look at you. So what's the first again? What's your first factor? Now it's 30 even. If it's even, then what's all the factors? 2 times what? What can you add 2 times?
And she said 12.
Oh, you got it.
I asked her, she said just
Okay, yeah, go ahead. You are on a roll.
So like this.
Yeah.
That's so next.
If you are on the second, no, just do it.
No, I was
What next?
That's 5.
Just work with the
What equals 21? What equals 21?
If you have not finished, no worries. Everybody have a seat? Have a seat. I want you to look at your elbow partner and tell them what you learned about factors and multiples. Everybody have a seat. Talk about it. Talk about What's talking about factors and multiples? Are we talking about what y'all learn?
Multiples just get
Everybody meet Aki. Everybody look at me. Look at me. All right, I want you guys, group one, talk about it. Tell me one thing you learned about factors and multiples. Talk about it real quick. Everybody talk about it with your group. One person from each group is going to tell me what they learned. Talk about it with your group. Talk about it with your group. And then I'll give y'all 5 seconds to think about it. Only one person's going to tell me. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, no talking. All right, hold the dice. Thank you. All right, group one. One person tell me what you learned. What you guys learned about factors and multiples? Anything. Who wants? Kevin, you want to tell them?
That's it.
One person has to tell me. All right. Group 2. One person has to tell me what you learned about factors and multiples.
So factors or rainbow is
No talking while this group is talking.
the even number is like the biggest number, so 1 is that number, and then it's the second number that comes after that one. So if it's a odd, then it's not going to go to 24.
Okay.
It's not an odd.
Okay. All right. Anybody else want to share from your group? You guys talk amongst your group, and you guys come up with something that you want to share. It can be something very simple. Okay. All right. Group 3. What do you guys learn? We're not talking.
What you learn about multiples is what you skip from and you add that number that you get.
Perfect. Hold the dice. All right. Group 5. Tell me something that you learned about factors and multiples.
Multiples will always be bigger than fractions.
Factors. Yes, sir. Good job. All right, guys. Go ahead, turn around and finish working in your groups.
Wait.